Hey guys, it's Vaudox cubing here, and today I'm going to share with you my mistakes I make on my average of 5 on 3x3. Now let's get right into the video. In the beginning of the solve, I'm going to use inspection to learn the best moves to solve the cross. As you can see, I wasn't able to solve the full cross in a fast and efficient way. After this, I started F2L, and I quickly solved 2 pairs. I got really lucky on the solve. The F2L was really easy. I also got an OLL skip, and even with such good PLL and F2L, I only got a 24-second solve. I'd recommend that you use your inspection time wisely, because inspection time can be used to help you solve cross, and if you can, look ahead into the future for F2L pairs. Here I'm examining the cube. It seems like an easier cross. After we get the cross done, we got a free pair. We got another pair done, and quickly and efficiently. Last pair took a long time, but it was quick. And this solve, I wouldn't say it's any bad, but we could have improved on the last layer, especially doing OLL and PLL. I'd also say you might want to drill your algorithms to go faster and to gain speed on those algorithms, because I've been noticing that PLL and OLL might seem easy and quick, but usually a lot of your time can be reduced by drilling algorithms. And this one is already set up as a daisy, so it's going to be an easy cross solution. But it takes me a moment to find my first F2L pair, rotating about 3 times, which is inefficient for my solve. The rest of my F2L pairs were nicely placed. I got a soon, and I got stuck on my Z-perm, and that unfortunately costed me a lot. So after that Z-perm mix-up, we lost a lot of time. And also, I was learning a new algorithm for PLL, for Z-perm, and that's what messed me up, because I was trying to solve my original algorithm, but then I switched into my new algorithm. On this cross, all the white edges are on one side, so hopefully one move can change the piece's location and I'm able to get all of them in. It took me a long time to recognize the green and orange pair, but the rest of our F2L is efficient and we recognize the pairs quickly. We only had to do one algorithm for all, and another problem was we weren't able to recognize our PLL, which caused us to go over 30 seconds. I would suggest, in this average of 5, I was turning quite fast. Rather than turning fast, look ahead, and you'll be able to be more fluent with your solves, and you'll probably get less time than I did. I'm going to inspect the cube. Hopefully we can get a good cross solution. Seems like the blue and red are easy to get in. In this solve, I'm going to start off by moving my hands as fast as I can to get that cross done. And throughout this solve, I'm going to get 3 free F2L pairs, and I have to insert them in the correct slots. And then after getting a SU PLL, I am not able to recognize, soon OLL, I'm not able to recognize my PLL, which caused me to get over 30 seconds.